Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Creep by Radiohead on ukulele. This is a pretty easy song to play because you only have 4 chords and you repeat them in the same order over and over for the entire song. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the chords. The very first one is going to be G major. Then we have a B chord. You can either play this barring the whole fret like I do, or you can do a semi-bar chord where you just bar the bottom 2 strings. I just find it easier to place my finger over all the strings. It's whatever you want to do. Then we have a C chord. And last we have a C minor. How I like to play this is I just put my middle and index finger down on the 2 strings above my ring finger in the 3rd fret. Another way that you could play this is by using your index finger to bar the bottom 3 strings. Okay, so I know that some of you may be freaking out about that B chord, but I promise you if you keep practicing, you will get it. And I'm also teaching you the easy version of how to play this song because there is a way where you could play all the chords as bar chords. So I think having that 1 bar chord in there is a nice way to introduce it, but also not overwhelm you by having to play the entire song with only bar chords. Now that we have all of those, we can move into progressions and strumming patterns. Like I said before, the progression for the whole song is going to be the same thing. It'll be G, B, C, C minor, and you'll repeat that over and over. The first strumming pattern that I recommend is single down strums. How this is going to end up working is you're going to do 2 down strums on each chord. So I'll go ahead and count that out with the beats so you can see how long to stay on each chord for. Starting on the G chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. You could definitely take that strumming pattern and do it for the entire song. However, I'm gonna give another one that picks it up a bit more. This next strumming pattern is gonna be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. You're going to do that pattern 2 times on each chord. So starting on the G chord, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, B, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, C minor. You could also take that strumming pattern and repeat it for the entire song. If you wanted to, you could also do a pattern like down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Feel free to mess around with it and add more down strums in there, take some away, put up strums in. It's whatever you want to do. Find something that fits your style best. For this example, I'm just going to use the pattern of down, down, up, down, 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 up, because that's the one that I personally like the best. When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What am I doing here? I don't belong here. perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What am I doing here? I don't belong here. She's running out again. Oh, she is running now. She runs, 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 runs. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And then you would just keep repeating that for the last chorus as well. So it's a very repetitive song, which makes it easier to remember and play the chords. As always, I would love for you guys to leave your suggestions in the comments for future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this one today. I hope that it helped you. If it did, it'd be great if you could give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're not already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go look through that and find another song that you want to learn. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!